Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Samsung. First of all, access Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here. So when I click, I need to select Closed in No Location Access pop-up in order to disable it. So when I go back, location is off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same No Gray shortcut. Then click on Home button. You can always go into Settings instead. Scroll down and look for Location section. When you find it, click on it and manage location thanks to this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!